pretties, and welcome to Crochetober days 14 and 15. Thank you so very much for joining me today. I just smushed 2 days together today, so the way I'm caught back up. I cannot believe it's already October 15th. We're already halfway through Crochetober because the 31st is kind of irrelevant, you know what I mean? That's just Halloween, that's just a fun time, so wow. Okay. Anywho, my costume for today. To wear my funky overalls and my tie-dye shirt, but I am an identity thief. So, hello, my name is Mud. Hello, my name is Alice. Yes. So, anywho. But yes, identity thief. The plan was to be Beetlejuice. I just didn't have it in me. Post-it notes seemed much simpler. So that's what I did. So, okie doke. So I'm going to smush Derek and I's evenings together. I'm going to go ahead and scooch right on through this because we're getting into the evening. I need to go make dinner for them. We are having stuffed chicken breast with just stuffing on it, corn on the cob, potatoes, salad, all the good stuff. Miss B is making Frankenberry and Count Chocula cookies. She also, yesterday was her day, and she wasn't sure what activity she was going to do. I got my super hip Happy Mail, and that there were cookie cutters. So that's what she decided her activity was, even though it's a day late. That's what she's making Oogie Boogie cookies. So, okay, so there are 5 of us. Each of us have a day. The 14th is Derek's day. The 15th is my day. So I figured those are good ones to smush together just because no kiddos get their feelings hurt. So, alright. Our fun fact is, according to tradition, if a person wears their clothes inside out and then walks backwards on Halloween, that person will see a witch at midnight. It's worth a shot, you know? Like the band Crisscross. You remember them from the 90s? Crisscross will make you jump. Wonder if that ever happened. Okay. So there's our fun fact. Let's see. Our square looks exactly like it did in the last video. I didn't add anything at all. Didn't add her color yesterday. I worked on my mandala blanket that I'm supposed to show today. That's what I've really worked on. So anyway, so Miss B's color was this one, the green. So for Derek's color, to kind of bring it all back together, he chose black. So, which I think is perfect. So I'll do this, go back to black. Okay, let's see. For his activity, he wanted to have fall fun and go visit the pumpkin patch. So we're going to do that. We have one that's not very far from us. That is a lot of fun. So going to visit the pumpkin patch. His movie is Nightmare Before Christmas. Or Nightmare Before Christmas. No, it's not. Nightmare on Elm Street. Part 3. He said so far he's had part 1, part 2, part 3. He wasn't sure what he wants the song to be. I'll figure it out, and it will be linked in the playlist down below. And then for a pattern today, I don't have anything to like share with y'all as far as a project, but I have a pattern to share. My stickers are falling off. It is a haunted house corner to corner blanket. It's super cool. The colors she has in it are purple, yellow, and black, and that's exactly what it is. It's a haunted house, and there's a spooky moon, and it's really cool. I will link that down below. It's by lovableloops.com. It is a free pattern. So, alright. Miss B didn't have any art for us. So yes. Anywho. Alright. So, let's see. So yeah, for his color, I said add in the black. The haunted house corner to corner, which will be linked below because it's really cool. I want to make it for sure, but said I won't get to it. I know. So Alright. For our outro, if I can find those. I need to mark them, I guess. That'd probably be good. Halfway through it, might as well mark it now. Okay. Our outro for the 14th, right? Yes, crazy. They who dream by day are cognizant of many things which escape those who dream only by night. Edgar Allan Poe, The Telltale Heart, which is one of my favorites. It's the beating of the heart. Yeah. So, they who dream by day are cognizant of many things which escape those who dream only by night. Alright. So, there you go, I guess. There's our day 14. Same costume. Day 15. Hey, how are ya? Alright. I'm gonna do our fun fact. Still having a fun fact. Alright. I remember writing this one and thinking, what the heck, when I wrote it, still feel that way. So, I even wrote, this one is rude, just warning you. So, in 2010, Belleville, Illinois became the latest city to ban trick-or-treating for kids over the age of 12. Teens can face fines from $100 to $1,000 for going door to door. I feel like if you dress up and you're in the spirit Halloween and you go and knock on a door, you deserve a fun-sized Snickers. That's just how I feel about it. But yes, kids over the age of 12, which would be teens, I suppose, but either way, $100 to $1,000 fine. Rude. Anyway, I put that I feel like this is when the trick part of trick-or-treating comes into play, which we've already discussed, what Devil's Night and Mischief Night and Hell Night and all those things in all the other states, and perhaps that's why that's a thing. The night before, they terrorize stuff because I know that's their only night, and that way they don't get a fine. Perhaps it's all starting to make sense now. But yeah, I think that's super rude. I remember a couple years ago we went to our community center and took the kids, and the lady there was like throwing this big fit trying to say that Squirrely Dan was too old to be a part of the raffle thing, and I'm like, he doesn't want to be a part of your... Honestly, none of them want to be a part of the raffle. We just came to play games and get some candy, and then we're going to go on our way, and she kept making this big deal about how he was too old, and it's like, what do you suggest he do? Like, run the streets and, I mean, be happy that he's here with his family on Halloween. I don't know. So, I feel like if you want to trick-or-treat, by golly, trick-or-treat. There should be no age cap on that. That's ridiculous. There are adult Halloween parties. Like, why is there this weird in-between age that... Yeah. Alright. So, today is my day. I guess technically, yes, I always do air quotes at ridiculous times. Today, in fact, is my day. So, you should probably want to see the... Well, I mean, I didn't do anything to it, especially in the last 2 minutes, but this is a square. Okay, so we're going to go from this to black. From black... I changed it up a bit. I chose, this one's 100% acrylic as well, but I chose Yarn Bee Antoinette. In the color, what is it? Monarch Musings. Just bright prettiness. Reminds me of a creepy monster. Reminds me of Halloween. So that'll go from the green to the black to this. Trust me. Okay, so maybe it'll be cool. I don't know. My names are falling off. Oh no, starting to lose my identities. Okay, so anyway, so I'm gonna add, like I said, I don't know which stitches. We're gonna go, that's the plan for tonight. Like I said, I'm making them stuffed chicken, and we are just going to hang out. So that's why I'm trying to like just scooch on through this. We're gonna just go hang out. It's Saturday night. Why not? Sounds like a plan, Stan. So we're just going to enjoy each other's company and play games and watch movies and have fun. So I'm going to add those colors, those 3 colors. While I do that, like I said, I've been working on my other projects, so didn't get those added in. So, alright. The activity I have for tonight is to stargaze on the trampoline, and honestly, it's the perfect night for it. You may see a bug or two flying around. We had the little screen door on the camper, on the craft and caravan, open, and a couple of them flew in because of the lights, and so it's kind of chilly, but it's honestly not even chilly. It's like honestly the perfect night for stargazing, so we may have to do that here in a little bit whenever it gets a little bit later. So that's my activity because it's fun. Our movie, I have two. Our first one is Halloween Ends because it just came out. It's the new one, the new Halloween. Last week we had Halloween Kills. This week we have Halloween Ends on Saturday. So, yes, I'm going to watch it, we are going to watch it. Very, very exciting. Also, I put Hitchcock Presents because I love Alfred Hitchcock. If you have looked at our playlist at all, the very, very first like album on there, like the song album, whatever you would call it, is Songs to be Murdered by Alfred Hitchcock. So yes, anyway, those are my contributions for the evening, and the song is Little Red Riding Hood, like, hey there Little Red Riding Hood, you sure are looking good. So yes, that's my song for the evening. It's kind of creepy, but also I really like that song. Alright, on Saturdays I'm trying to show my mandala blanket that I'm making, that I'm watching. It's down in the playlist like below, just like our songs. It's in the Crochetober tutorial playlist. But it is Mikey from the Crochet Crowd. It's not his pattern, but he divvied it up, all those things. I'm on like the 37th. I think this one went to the 40th row, and I made it to, I think it's the 32nd or 37th. I don't remember. I worked on it for a while and then I stopped, but I'll come back to it. So this one was not top priority, but I didn't get the other one finished either, so hey, alright. But anyway, this is it though. Whoop. I love it so very much. It's getting really big, but yes. So this is it, my mandala blanket, and I love it. I'm loving how it's turning out. So I need to finish those few rows. They're all just falling off. Anyway, I need to finish those few rows. I will be caught up, so I'm going to take this one into to kind of work on it as much as I can. I don't know, we'll see how much I can listen, learn new stitches, new things, and have fun. So, alright. So yes, once again, Derek's Night, Pumpkin Patch, Nightmare on Elm Street Part 3, Black. Linked below will be the Haunted House corner to corner blanket. It is too cool. Like, I said, just check it out if you want. It's too cool. Free pattern. For my night, stargaze on the trampoline. Like I said, really just hanging out. Hopefully here in a little bit we'll stargaze because you hear the crickets. It's a perfect night. Halloween Ends, Hitchcock Presents, Little Red Riding Hood for my song, my mandala blanket. Alright. Again, Miss B didn't have anything, but that's okay. She's been kicking some booty, so it's okay. Alright, this one is awesome. Our outro. I love this one. I'm wicked through and through. Elphaba from Wicked. My sister-in-law and I went to see Wicked, the play. It was such a good one. That was such a fun time. It's like watching the whole thing, and popular. It's all about popular. I love it so much. Yeah, Elphaba. Yes. I'm wicked through and through. Elphaba. Alright. So, again, I will link the playlist and things down below. If you would like to check out those things, feel free. I'm going to go have a fun family night with the family, because that's what we've been doing, but also it's Saturday, so we don't have like a time limit on stuff, so awesome. Alright, so even though we're going to be probably in the woods here in a little bit, stargazing and all of those things, just saying, being in the woods watching movies also, it's a really nice night. I mean, you could always go for a walk. May I suggest during your walk, though, don't go in the woods.